So let's start the Armstrong number coding in Python. So we have taken a number num as a variable of type integer, and we will put a console message to enter the number. Okay, after that we have taken the number, then we will put the number of digits, how many digits are there in a number. Okay, so I have okay, enter the number of digits. Okay, done. Okay, so after that what we have to do, we have to take a number or a copy of the number num, so that we will do the operation on that temporary variable, and we will compare that temporary variable with our current num. Okay, this original number. So let's take a temporary variable and store that number in them. So temp is the temporary variable, and store num in them. Okay, after that take a variable sum and initialize it with 0. So let's start a while loop. Okay, so temp not should be greater than 0. Okay, this is our condition. So let's take a remainder. So remainder equals to temp modulo 10. Okay, and then sum is equals to sum sum equals to sum plus what is this, n, or rem to the power n. So rem to the power n. Okay, this double asterisk, this is asterisk is for power symbol. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to decrement the temp. Okay, temp equals to temp slash slash 10. This is the integer division. Okay, so while loops end if sum with what, this is that sum जो हमने अभी कंप्यूट किया है. ओके, अगर ये इक्वल है हमारा नम की, if this sum is equals to the previous num, then we can say print Armstrong. Okay, और else में else वाला पार्ट में लिख देंगे else print not Armstrong. Done. strng. Okay, not Armstrong. So एक बार रन करके देखते हैं. Let's see how it works. Okay, so let's take a number. Okay, let it work first of all. Okay, so it's asking for a number, so let's enter 153, which is Armstrong number, then number of digits, which is 3. So the result comes Armstrong. Yes, it is an Armstrong. Again say, again run, and this time we will take some other numbers, and it will be like 370. It is also an Armstrong number. Okay, so let's take 370, and it's also saying Armstrong number. So let's take a non-Armstrong number, which is anything. Okay, 111. Let's take 111. Number digits is 3, not Armstrong. So this is how our code works for Python.